The journey to self improvement starts with you. Think of the things that could help you, motivate you, and at the same time make you happy. At the end of the day, that's all we wanted in life. So let's dive in. Hello, everyone. Good day. My name is Emery. Welcome to Emery Powell, where we talk about growth in YouTube, personal finance, and self development. In this video, I would like to have an accountability partner where people are really watching, helping you grow, and just talk. Just tell somebody that I'm here speaking to you. I really wanted to have this community of people that could help me and help me connect as well to your emotions, because we wanted to have these people that could really become our team and at the same time be a good community where we could share and be just ourselves. A lot of people now wanted to become introvert, and I know I'm not an extrovert, okay? Introvert, extrovert. But the thing is, it's really important to really show up and commit to yourself. Like, for example, doing this YouTube channel. It's not easy. You're shooting videos, you're thinking about the topic, you're thinking about what should be my details, what should be the summary of this, what should be the end point. But if you overthink and you are thinking that this is not for me or I need to focus myself a lot and being perfectionist, then that's not going to be happening. I used to be like that. I used to really tell myself to do this, do that, plan ahead, plan more, which is not bad. But then I am stuck and we don't want to get stuck. So think of the things that could help you, motivate you, and make you happy. Before, I was thinking coming here in the US is like a gold or a diamond mine that helped me to become me. It's part of being who I am now. It's part of my progress. Yes, I know. But deep within me, I would really love to go back to my home country where I could serve, I can talk, I can share my ideas. But I've learned that YouTube is worldwide and I could create a community and help them and be able to let them know that somebody that they could speak, they could connect with. And I know there are a lot of people there who became coaches because they are there to listen. They are there to smile and they are there to motivate you. I used to be a school teacher, so it's like an innate habit and maybe and lifestyle and ability now. So that's the thing. I am here to help, I am here to encourage. And please encourage me as well to continue with my YouTube channel because this is my own personal brand with my name, Emery Powell. Your connection, your likes, your shares, your subscribing here is meant a lot to me. It meant more than anything else because I know that by just looking at the camera, somebody out there is listening. Somebody out there can help me grow and I can help you motivate as well. In this life, that's the thing. I wanted to really create a memory for a lifetime. And we know YouTube is there. YouTube is growing and everybody else is jumping from one platform to another, but YouTube is there for everyone. And a lot of people now has short attention span, but because of the long form videos of YouTube, we can really create and we can express ourselves. Just tell to the world that you are there, you are present, and you wanted to have an accountability partner because you wanted to sustain this one. YouTube is like a full-time job. We shouldn't be like, yeah, it's just a passive income. No, it has to have your energy, your time, your ideas, and you need to put your thumbnails, titles, all of those extra descriptions that you need to put. So it's a lot of work. But then if these people like a mom with a child or children at home can do this, why not us? I'm a millennial in my early 30s and really wanting to motivate you, wanting to tell to the world that, hey, even though we're millennials, we can also create something, we can also connect, we can also share ideas because we got this not just from reading books or watching podcasts or videos, but we're learning this from a community of people that we know of in our area, in our city, in our church. So, those are the things that we need to learn as well. Mindset is everything, but accountability partner is also important because it helps you to think that, oh, somebody is there watching me, somebody is there helping me and motivating me, and that helps us to connect ourselves. And self-development journey is not easy, but if you know what are your whys and why would you like to pursue this, just like me pursuing this YouTube channel, my own brand, which is my name, Emery Powell, then it's going to be something worthwhile. I know I need to do the grind to show up every day, make videos, and connect to people. Yes, I'm going to commit myself because I know somebody out there is listening and really wanting to get value out of this video. So please watch the next video. That way, we can have a great time together learning about self development, growth in YouTube, personal finance, and other things that we might be able to connect. See you in the next video.